Welcome to my channel Book of Science. Today I am teaching about 8th class biology, 3rd chapter reproduction in humans. Reproduction in humans, there are two types of reproduction system. Asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction. Same as in the plants. Asexual reproduction is another divided into three types. First one is fission, second one budding, third one regeneration. Fission example amoeba, paramecium. Budding example hydra. Regeneration example hydra, starfish, planaria. Reproduction. What is the meaning of reproduction? Reproduction is the process of giving rise to new individuals of the same kind. It helps in the continuance of the species. So, what is the meaning of the reproduction? Reproduction means it is the process of giving to birth young ones of the same kind. How it helps? It helps to the species is increased. Single celled organisms just like amoeba. Amoeba reproduce by dividing into two. The mother cell divides and it forms two daughter cells. So single celled organism example is amoeba. Next, multicellular organisms. Some multicellular animals or organisms like hydra. Hydra produce small buds. Buds example also yeast. Here the hydra produces small buds which grow in size and get separated. These are asexual methods of reproduction. It is not involving eggs or sperms. Sperms is male gametes, eggs are female gametes. So, female gametes or male gametes is not involved in the asexual reproduction. More animals reproduce sexually and they have two sexes, male and female. Male reproduced sperms. Cells are called male produced sperms. Reproductive cells are called sperms. And females reproduce reproductive cells are called eggs. So it is also called gametes. So male gametes, female gametes. Male produce reproductive cells is called sperms or male gametes. Female produce reproductive cells are called eggs or ovum. It is also called female gametes. The sperm and egg fuse to form a zygote. Zygote after then develops into an individual. So this is the overall process of the reproduction. Here reproduction is two types. First one is asexual reproduction in animals. Asexual reproduction, first one is fission. There are two types, binary fission or multiple fission. Same as in the plants. Binary means two. This is the common method of reproduction in single celled organism. What is the single celled organism? Amoeba, paramecium. So here this is the amoeba. In amoeba, the parent cell divides into two daughter amoebas. First nucleus divides and after then cytoplasm divided and form two new individuals. Here this is the amoeba. Amoeba has single celled organism, single celled animal, and it belongs to the protozoa family. So protozoa family, single cell animal, amoeba. This is not a particular shape. Only this single celled organism do all the functions: nutrition, digestion, excretion, and food capturing. All the functions do this single celled organism. So here this is the mother cell, this is the cell wall, this is nucleus, this is the cytoplasm. First of all, the nucleus divides into two, and after then the cytoplasm also divided. So the mother cell is divided and forms into two daughter cells. So binary means two, fission means split. So the amoeba is reproduction through this method. Next, budding. The buds grow on the outside of the parent body. These buds detached with parent body. Budding is a common method of reproduction in Hydra. This is the Hydra diagram. It is in cylindrical shape, and this is called tentacles. Where the Hydra living, this is the multicellular organism, Hydra. It is living in marine water, and the tentacles, this is the mouth. The tentacles main function is for movement and capture the food. How it capture the food? This is the mouth, this is tentacles. So the tentacles just like it acts just like and capture the food and throw it into the mouth. This is the structure of the Hydra. Here the cells are formed and divide, and it forms a bud, and after then it will grow. The bud is grow outside of the mother Hydra, and it forms a small Hydra. After the growth of this bud, it detached from the mother Hydra, and it will be grow an individual life. This is the budding. Next, regeneration. Hydra, starfish, planaria. These three are examples of the regeneration. Hydra starfish have a great power to regrow the lost parts of their body. If they lose any body part, they can replace. So it is called a regeneration, regenerate. The process of regrowth of losing parts is called regeneration. Regeneration also take place for reproductive process. This is also one of the method of asexual reproduction in animals. Here example, Hydra. If we will cut Hydra transfer section into 2-3 pieces, each piece will regenerate and give rise to a new individual. This is the Hydra example, and we will discuss another example, planaria. Planaria are also called flatworm. Planaria also called flatworm. If it is cut into 5-6 pieces, each piece will develop into a young planaria. This is the planaria symbol diagram. If we cut 3 parts, each piece of planaria regenerate the other body parts. So it will become 3 individuals. So this is the regeneration process. So this is the asexual method, regeneration, budding, fission. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe to my channel.